So what we're going to do is this. Very first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to the create menu and we're going to go polygon primitives. And we're going to turn off interactive creation off. And that's because this is the way I work. And now what I can do is I can grab a box and it just shows up. That's beautiful. I love that. So that's the first thing. Now, you got a box, also make a sphere. And maybe a cone. So I got three things. And this is where we're going to go with you guys, and I'll come around and help you out and see where we can get. I'm going to give you 3 more keyboard commands. How many people are already confused? Good, but it's going to go away. We're going to keep trying this. Remember I said you had to do this 38 times before you start to get this stuff. This is easy after I've been doing this for 20 years. None of this stuff is really too complicated. So what happens now when you build 3 things? They all exist in the same place, in the center of this world. So if you want to just pay attention for a second, I'm going to do a few things. I'm going to tell you a few commands to write down, and then you're going to go do it. So rule number 1 was the Alt key is used to navigate. It spins around. It also, if you use the other mouse button, the right mouse button can zoom in and out, which is really good. Number 2, the QWERTY keyboard that we have, QWER. Happen to select the pointer Q. That means you can select things. W is the move tool. So whatever's selected green, you see this little red, green, and blue axis thing. You can move that thing different directions. X, Y, and Z. Anybody do math in school? 3 dimensions. Ooh. So we can grab one of those. We can move this thing around. We can grab this. So that was the W key for move. After the W is E. That is rotate. R is scale. How come R is scale instead of rotate? Because programmers made this thing. Huh? It's crazy. Why isn't the R rotate? It always confuses me. Okay, I'll stop complaining about that stuff. So what do we know now? Alt key, QWER, and I'm going to give you one more, 5. 4 wireframe, 5 shaded. You can't do nothing in wireframe half the time. You need to see shaded. 5. Right? So I want you to move these things around. I'm going to come around and look at this stuff, and then once I'm done,